Welcome, my friends, to this soul light restoration session. This is a living transmission of source light codes designed to reconnect you to your original soul blueprint, to release distortion, restore clarity, vitality, and purpose, and accelerate your spiral back to your true embodied light. These sessions speak directly to your soul and subconscious systems, bypassing surface symptoms and working at the root holographic level. There's nothing you need to do but open your heart and receive, and allow your soul to guide what integrates at the perfect pace for you. If you feel the resonance, you are already receiving. This transmission is for those who are ready to stop carrying the weight of the world and finally receive support in every aspect of their being. This transmission came specifically through the Sirius-Andromedan lineage to support those of us who have been carrying far too much and are finally ready to stop surviving and start receiving. As you receive these tones and codes, allow your body and your nervous system to soften. There's nothing to prove. You are safe to be held. You are safe to receive. This is a space of restoring your capacity for support in the divine structure and releasing any unmet needs related to a core mother wound. Oniyakamana, Shiniyakatuta, Shiniotia, Miyakya, Shinyotio, Ania, Totio, 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 Nita, Koko, Kushita Manada, Oniatata, Shianata, Oniamata, 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 Oniati, Shiniatoto, Oniamakatitanoto, Shishinanikato, Oniatato kato, Oniaka tato, Oniashita nana mota panta, Oniakatianta, Shinantia, Oniashishinata, O koto, Niania cantanta, Minia toto, Shiania, Monio, Titia, Pantia, Totio, Pitia, Tontia, Totio, Niana Conto, Shishiania Mamata, Niote Panta, Shinia Toto, Eniakata, Onia Sotomitana, Ana Koto Sitamaniato, Onia, Toto, Iano, Kotita. Onia shita mana kata mana tita, shinia toto, onia tatanina mana koto yata shania, onia shita mona, inia tata, onia shatia no matia tonto, shikia tonte yata, onia mate foto, shinia kata, onia tata, onia mata onsho. Aniama tia to tia ti kia to tia to shiti mata. Onia kia tia. Kionia tia tia pia tia to. Onia shita. Mikia no tia tonti, shinia makieto tia nia matonti, inia matia to tia nana moni, monia mania mantita tonti, inia pato canta, shonio mata pania, monia mata pintia ton sonti onti kuntum papantantea, miano. Miriato tiato, onia ketia matia totio tatio totio motio cantito shio. Shio tio panta. Onia tato mata. Onia maton tato. Shitio tio pancantianto. Onia matia toto. Shinia matia. O no konata, Monianantoko ton tan tan, Tatianton Shoniamakatato. Sisi aniano, Sisi aniano, Sisi aniano, Moyan, Moyan, Moniatanto, Shitianon don conto. You are held. I am here. You are held. I am here. Let the light and the peace spiral into your central nervous system, filling all of the spaces in all directions of space and time. These codes are an active transmission. You can come back to this at any time to receive healing and light whenever it's needed for any kind of wounds around mothering, the unmet needs in the mother wound. With love and peace and grace and all the joy I have for you, and so it is.